How to fix Discord stream volume on mobile. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix Discord stream volume in your mobile phone. After you open up the Discord app on your mobile phone, now go to profile at the bottom. Under your profile, now go to settings at the top. After you come to settings, now scroll to down and go to voice, this one. After you open this voice, as you can see now, if you scroll to down, now here is the option. Here it says volume. So all you have to do now, increase the volume in this option. So after you increase this volume, now you can increase this one again. So from there, now your problem will be solved. But if you try this method and still you have problem of the volume, now you can swipe your phone like this now and make sure you turn on the volume of your mobile phone. And if you still try this method and still your problem has not been solved, all you have to do now, close the Discord. Now go and find the Discord. So now all you have to do now, go and uninstall the Discord. So after you uninstall the Discord on your mobile phone and go and install the Discord again, from there you may have some updates from the Discord, and this may solve your problem. And that's it, guys.